All right, down this way. Oh yeah, nar. Whew. Oh yeah, that's what this thing was made for. Woo! All right, I'm out here with Corey. Corey's on his route down, new route down. He's trying to convert me over to one of those. No switch. And we're at the local cross-country trails, and I'm riding the DH bike for the first time. So we're gonna see how horrible that is at climbing. Let's get it. You can ride behind me on this. Yeah, what do you want to do? You want to climb up that, and we can just drop down that, and then start our ride? Yeah, that works. That way we're getting around this? Yeah. All right.
It doesn't feel that bad, dude.
Corey.
Coil spring's a little weird. How it makes noise?
Yeah. I am in top gear.
Oh, the easiest?
Yeah, all right. You go ahead in front.
We're going up?
Yeah. This is gonna be awful. I didn't even check the tire pressure. Oh my God. Whew. Do what? No. Corey.
Sure did. I hear it leaking.
It's flat. Okay. Never jumped it before, just gonna see how it feels. Woo! That's nice. We're gonna pedal this thing up the hill. It's gonna suck. It is not meant for this. Talk about a workout. Gotta stand up. Whew. Okay. Downhill bikes are not meant to climb on. Holy smokes. That was horrible. That was absolutely horrible. Okay. Oh, nice to get some air. Woo-hoo-hoo. Tell you what, this thing shifts good though. Oh, DB8. Never thought I'd be riding cross-country trails on a DH bike. There's a big group of people here today. They were all giving me weird looks because most of them know I ride a Ripmo. All right, into it. Yeah, so through here I'd be sitting down on my Ripmo, nicely gliding and pedaling, being super efficient. Not on this. The brakes are good, but not quite as bitey as the Saints on my Ripmo. Whew. So I'm just not used to that later bite point. Oh no, there's a little climb here. Okay. Here we go. See how it eats. Whew, hey, how's it going?
Yeah, how are you?
Good. All right. Corner's pretty good. If you can even call these corners in here. Oh, that was nice. It's so smooth. So much smoother over the chattery stuff. This part sucks. Whew. I think it's got a weird top out sound on the fork. I wonder if that means it needs to be rebuilt. Probably. Whew. All right. More cross-country action. No choice but to stand on this thing. Dropper post on a downhill bike? Maybe I need one. I can definitely tell this bike is about 15 millimeters shorter reach wise than the Ripmo. Feel a little further over the front. How's it doing? Is it holding? No?
There we go.
Huh?
Is that terrible?
Yes, horrible. Corey had a pinch flat. Oh, I'm gonna be walking this. Holy shit. Holy hell. All right, taking low line. You ready, Core Dog? See what this thing will do.
Hardtail versus downhill.
Hardtail versus downhill, yeah. Whew. Oh. Hey, how's it going, guys? One more behind me.
Yeah, I think.
I don't know what that loud noise is. One more behind me, man. I'll tell you, you do not feel anything. Oh, that was horrible. That was a horrible climb.
Go red bars, you're sick.
Yeah, they're all right. Holy shit. That sucked. Oh, that sucked on my dicks.
Wasn't that bad, dude. I don't know what you're talking
I'm sure it wasn't that bad. Oh, God. My biggest cog is a 26.
That's not much bigger.
42. And you got a 30 in the front. 36, 26. Tallest gear I got. I'm dying. All right, down this way. Oh yeah, nar. Whew. Oh yeah, that's what this thing was made for. Woo! That was what's up right there.
Dude, you're getting it.
This thing eats, dude. It eats. You want to take it up to the top and try it down that?
How am I gonna get up there?
I'll wait down here. Just go back up. If you want to try it on fun downhill.
Oh, sure.
Just on the route down. Hardtail just took this on a downhill bike. Definitely can't go as fast, but it is fun. Holy shit.
This thing just destroyed.
Isn't it insane?
Dude, that's awesome. That was great.
It's insane, right?
Yeah.
You don't feel the bumps at all.
You hear the...
Fork top out.
Yeah. But that was cool.
All right, here's yours back. Definitely too big for me.
Is it?
At least the way you've got it set up. Yeah. Whew.
Dude, that was so cool riding that.
Did the brake fade on you?
I didn't hit it from here.
It's crazy how hard you can just monster truck off things. The fork doesn't work bad, it's just...
No, it felt really good. It's just a clacking. You gotta get used to it.
Yeah, I don't like that.
It felt really good. Dude, like, at first, I don't know, didn't really trust it at first. But
Yeah,
like after the first little go over that log,
yeah.
I was like, oh, okay, you didn't even feel that.
No,
I didn't let the brakes, I didn't touch the brakes up there.
you just sent it off everything. That's what I did. That's how I go through there on the Ripmo. But you feel everything on the Ripmo.
Yeah, you felt it. You didn't feel feel nothing on that.
It's crazy.
That's awesome going downhill.
I know. Whew.
Feel enough.
Corey, what do you think about it, man?
Dude, it's gonna be awesome.
Here, take it, hold it. Let me look at it.
Look at it. I mean, it's got the right bars for sure.
The chrome mag bars.
It's gonna be so awesome going downhill.
Yeah, it feels good, man. I gotta get used to that fork noise.